you're anything like me, I love going on Sora and creating video clips, going through the community, and just having fun. But imagine an app that is more fun than Sora, and that's what I'm going to show you today in this video. It's an app where you can upload a photo and a voice, and then combine the two to make a really fun music video. Something like this.
Last Christmas,
And you'll notice that she wasn't singing, so we can do this version here as well. I said you can upload your own song, which I'm going to show you here with the outro song of my videos alongside AI Dana, of course. Who else?
AI tools, AI news, AI prompts you can use. It's all for free, just come and see at FranklinA.com where you're meant to be.
And if you notice on that last video, she's actually even closing her eyes as she's singing. It looks so real. It is absolutely insane. And today I'm actually talking about VibeMe AI. And generally I cover a lot of web-based tools, and today's tool has a website, but you can see here you can't actually use it on their website. Instead, you have to either download it for iOS or Google Play. And when you install the app, you're going to log in. You're going to see a whole bunch of different categories of different videos you can generate just instantly on the spot without having to know any prompts. So it's like Sora in the way that it's like community driven, but it's like on steroids because you don't have to actually know any prompts at all. And if you notice here, you can also duet. So we can click that, for example, and you can see there are two people singing. So we can actually hit try now, and we can actually invite a friend to sing with us. So it's as simple as picking out our character here, which is AI Dana. The second singer, we can just click here. We can share and generate an invite code to a friend. They can accept the invite, and then we can actually create songs together. So you're like inviting friends and family to join the fun. Once Dana accepts the invite that I just sent her, the output will look like this.
Tell me where your love lies.
So yeah, you can literally sing with friends and family that are in a totally different spot than you, and it looks real, it feels real, and it's a lot of fun to do. So you just take that invite code, send it off, they accept it, they upload their person, boom, you have a joint video. And speaking of joint videos, you can also generate videos of yourself with different people, different celebrities, like this one here, where I have AI Dana singing with Justin Bieber, which is pretty cool. And if I had the audio on, you'd actually hear it. It sounds good. It matches the lips. It's phenomenal. Think about the first version of Sora. Sora started off with just like in a text box, you generate a video, and that's your video clip that you have. You can now do whatever you want with it. So some people chose to upload it to YouTube, they shared it off with friends, so on and so forth. And then Sora 2 came out, and Sora 2 was really built on this whole community-driven idea, where you're not just having a single video, you're taking the video, you can remix it, you can modify it. There's an entire social network for these videos that are being generated. The whole concept of AI video is kind of going towards this whole experience of community-driven sharing experiences and like remixing and like a really fun interaction. And I think that's why I really like VibeMe AI. It's the entire category, it's the entire library that I was showing you, where there's literally thousands. You don't need to know prompts like Sora, you just kind of scroll, click, and use. And guess what? It's not just people, there's pets as well. So for example, I can take my pet Joey and then make him do this. I really want to emphasize how well VibeMe just did, because I want to show you like the original video that it had, and you can see the dog that's going down versus Joey going down, and it literally changed the entire dog, and it looks really good. The physics, everything, and it just literally as simple as hitting try now, you picking the dog you want, and then hit generate. And it doesn't even have to be realistic videos. As you can see here, there's a whole collection of cartoon style and non-realistic videos that you can just like one click generate. So say we wanted like this Christmas card moment one, for example, we can try Vibe Now, upload our photos, and just like instantly get a video. So we're going to just hit AI Dana again. We have her handy. She's here. We can hit generate. It'll take like a minute or two, and our video looks like this. To be perfectly transparent, VibeMe AI is not the best video AI out there. There is better. What makes VibeMe AI really cool as a tool is how easy it is to use. So I've been having a lot of fun generating all sorts of different videos, all in just like one click, going through their library, not worrying about prompts, which I think is a lot of fun. It's for consumers. It's for people like you and I, an entertainment first social app where you can have fun with friends and family. It's not for like professional content creation. So just in one click, I have this tri-frame clip here for you. And then in another click, I have an entire video based around Stranger Things, but using my own character.
Will is calling to me, and he's out there, and he's alone, and he's scared, and I don't care if anyone believes me. I am not gonna stop.
And not everything has to be real looking. We can also have this like Grinch clip here with AI Dana. Everything is incredibly easy to use, and again, you can use it with other people. I think it's kind of phenomenal. And speaking of the Grinch, instead of having your character as the Grinch, you can also have your character with the Grinch. Needless to say, there are a lot of options that you can pick from. So just at the top, you can see what's new and for free and Duet and Solo and Pets. My like surprise me. The list goes on. And then we can actually see what's trending. And I'm just going to scroll down. I just want to show you really how many there are. So you can sing with a crush or Zootopia, Duet with friends, Christmas vibes, the tri-frame that I showed you, Swifter Cat. The list is absolutely incredible. And you're going to see here, as it keeps scrolling down, it just feels like a forever scrolling list. And then on top of all that, so say we want to use like one of these style split ×4, we can actually hit it, and then you can see all the different options that are listed here. So it's more than just the ones you see on this page. You can actually go like further in and really see how many different videos you can like one click generate, and you can see the results are really, really good. So we want like a cute melody, we can kind of click in and then we can see the options here. So let's try one of these now, just because why not? Let's try this one here, Vibe Now. And again, we can upload our character. So this time around, I'm going to upload me. And yeah, that's me wearing AI Dana. So here we go. Let's hit generate. And here is the result. So you can see here, this is the result of me singing. Again, I'm just going to crop out the audio. I'm trying to cut out the audio as much as possible. I'm probably going to be demonetized on this video. I can't see how YouTube does not demonetize me. And if you guys enjoy AI and you want to support the channel, please do subscribe, because it does help, especially with videos like this where I want to show you the tool. It's like little fun snippets, but you know, demonetization. So anyway, the output is absolutely phenomenal. It's literally the photo I uploaded. It's just such a cool tool. VibeMe AI is absolutely incredible. I think it's actually a lot of fun. I've been having a lot of fun with Dana generating videos back and forth, just showing you the ones I've made for this video, but her and I have been doing a lot of fun things with this application. Love to know what your thoughts are. Leave a comment down below. Is this a tool you will use? Do you like the whole concept where it's like, not the best, but it's like community driven. It's really easy. I like that. As much as I like AI tools and I don't mind putting in prompts and stuff, I love how quick it's been to generate all these videos. I've been having a lot of fun generating videos and sending them out to friends and family. Let me know what your thoughts are. Always love to hear what you think. Don't forget to leave a like on the video. It tells the algorithm, hey, I enjoyed this type of content. I want to see more of it. And definitely do subscribe if you want to help out the channel, especially for videos like this. Like I said, demonetized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow with another AI video.
Right there, AI tools, AI news, AI prompts you can use. It's all for free, just come and see at FranklinA.com, where you're meant to be.